Time to open the doors to the PhotoLink Library.
Mike Stevens says the view is a bit different today compared to yesterday.
In many ways, this bit of the world we call home constantly changes in spring and into summer. Some of the residents we meet are quite interesting. Morning Eagle here from Pauline DeVito, Deer Lake. The changes come along a bit faster than turtle time, like Susan O'Connor labeled this sunbather in West Wyoming. Here today, gone tomorrow, the lead guidance of this season. This is from Mary Gabriel, East Lemon. Still, you might say everything stays pretty much on the same track. Maybe not the one Daniel Kaufman of Avoca captured, but you get my drift. The pink smoke Gene Rutledge captured in Equinunk, that will move right along. Nature's Jewelry, Rich Zavinsky of Hazel Township called this, and he is right. But this scene will also fade fairly quickly. So I suspect the best we can do is to enjoy what we can, or at least the images that come from them. This is from Norma Sherwood. Sunrise in Moria, seen and captured by Diane Beckett of Mahanoy Township. Here's another sunrise Diane was lucky enough to see and hold. This one too at Mahanoy Township. Our skies are turned gold at many a sunset. Nice to look at, great to capture. And this is from Tess in Palmerton. The skies light up as the gold that is their color burns off at sunset. This is from Jim Philipsky, Troop. From Bradley Diefenbacher of Wilkes-Barre, a golden sunset with a bit of mist along the way to add to the image. Nature constantly plays little tricks on us. From Michael Smith of Gouldsboro comes our final photo. Down to our level, a water lily, straightforward, well-designed, lovely to look at. It is summertime now. It is time to enjoy it before nature changes things all around. I'm Mike Stevens in the PhotoLink Library.